Hello everyone. So I discussed this legend, okay, in my last session. So what is this? Here in self-screen process, legend is like that text and numbers, okay, and of printed circuit board, okay. So here you see here, okay, these are made by manual processing. Okay, you see here, this is a board, printing board. Okay, manual printing board. Okay, so this after you final your layout, I already told you that is after your layout design in Eagle software or some PCB design software. After you make this layout of your PCB, okay, by this all layers, okay, like I already show you what is the layer, okay, step by step these layers are printed by this board, okay, okay. So after this printing, your board see like this, okay, you see here this is the bias, and this is the IC, okay, IC symbol, okay, a soldering mask here. The part by part. After that, the this is the one step of your PCB, final PCB printing. After that, this number, okay, component number, board company name, board company manufacturer ID, okay. So here in last level of cell screen, here we print these names and number of components and boards, okay. This is the final steps, okay. We use this by this machine, okay. So this is the automatic process, okay. These are a manual process you done by your manual process, or you have you this machine. So by this machine you easily print your cell screen process by this machine. Okay. So this is the basics cell screen process. Okay. After that, you see here another machine here, legend baking oven. Okay. So here you see this is another machine which is used for oven. Okay. So here what the machine function here, for what this oven is used. The ink used for this cell screen printing contains that are activated thermally. Okay. So here after this printing final by this machine, your board put here for oven some thermally process. Okay. So this is the process. Okay. Step by step. So it is cured at high temperature. Okay. Cured is cured by high temperature. Some like the manufacture industries levels, and depending on this wood, the thickness and companies manufacture rules. Okay. So this is called polymigration. Okay, polymigration or cross linkage reactions. Okay. So this is the after this oven are used in this cell screen process. Here you see the preparation of PCB. Please note down these points because these are very important. So, for in our first point, let's see. Once the CAD blueprint is finalized, okay, CAD blueprint means the PCB layout. Okay, PCB layout, your PCB layout are ready. It's time to move towards hardware implementing. So, finalized your hardware implementing are done. Okay, you need to perform some steps to finish the product with high quality. Okay, if you make your PCB high quality, so the step by step process I already see told you the 32 steps or more than 32 steps are required for a good quality or high quality PCB. So these are the steps are used. I already show you. These are the process. This is the process, screen process, soldering mask process. Okay. So the first step involves in this process. Tree is a section of the type of board to be used for PCB manufacturing. So there is first process. I already show you this. This is a totally fully process of PCB printing or PCB making. So here you see here so here I already discussed how to do how to make this layout. After this layout, how to make your PCB by cutting. Okay. After this lamination and testing, after this are finalized. This is a step by step process I already discussed. So yeah, this is the first step helps in this process tree. Section of type of board to be used for PCB manufacturing. Okay. So first is PCB board manufacture. After that, the material selected. Okay, material selected is very important. Non-conductive material, conductive material. Okay, these are the material selection process. And after this, in our board, okay, so different material. Okay, for this, yeah, you see here for seal screen. Okay, this name, these inks are another material, non-conductive material are used. These are the material are used for this section. Material selected. Okay, is then packed up for cleaning, followed by the tape rolling and board handling. Okay, so PCB board then gets ready for the printing. So these are the points how to start PCB board manufacture. Before this PCB manufacture, we require this material and this layout of PCB and this process of okay, which board are used for this double layer, single layer. So these are required before the board manufacturing. So thank you. This is